All right, we're here with the Ruger SFAR, and we're gonna try Wolf Classic steel cased ammo. We only have one round in there. We have it on setting 2, and we're gonna see if it locks back after this round. Let's see how it does. Yep, she locked back. All right, we'll be back with 19 more rounds, see how they shoot. All right, now we're gonna shoot another 5 rounds of the steel cased Wolf ammo. It's 308 chambering. It's on setting 2. Let's see how it does. Okay, so that functioned, and we're gonna put the can on it, and we'll be back. All right, we're back, and we have the suppressor on it, and we're on setting 1, and we're just gonna finish out the mag. See how it does. And see if Kevin gets hit by all the casings. There it is, and it locked back again, so that's good. All right, and she's still going strong. That is, let me see. We have, I think we're at about 750 rounds. So 750 rounds. She works unsuppressed on setting 2. She works suppressed on setting 1 with 7.62 NATO or 308. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.